We'll guide you through how to export your Google Sheets as a PDF. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Sheets and navigate to the document you want to export. Once your sheet is open, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download and then select PDF Document. This will open a new window where you can customize your PDF settings. You can choose the layout, such as portrait or landscape, and adjust the paper size to fit your needs. You can also decide which sheets to include if your spreadsheet has multiple tabs. There's an option to set the page scaling, so you can fit more data on one page if needed. If you want to include grid lines or notes, be sure to check those boxes. Once you have your settings configured, click the Export button at the top right of the window. The PDF will automatically download to your computer. You can then open it to make sure everything looks good before sharing or printing. If you need to make changes, you can go back to Google Sheets, adjust your settings, and export again. This feature is super handy for creating professional-looking documents straight from your data. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.